it's me, Gil. But today, I am Superboy!
And I'm Molly, also known as Tissue Girl. We're heroes defending all against the running nose. He's going through town and sneezing everywhere, and he's making all the townsfolk sick.
We need your heroic help to track him down and clean up his act. Will you help us? Fantastic!
Let's get swimming. To help me swim to the left, press the left arrow key. To help me swim to the right, press the right arrow key. To help me swim up, press the up arrow key. To help me swim down, press the down arrow key. To launch a tissue, click on Sneezing Townsfolk. Swimsational! And remember, we need to collect as many tissue boxes as we can along the way. Ready? Now let's go catch that running nose and keep the townsfolk from catching his germs. After that nose. Woo! Fantastic! More tissues. Let's go the other way. Great job helping the townsfolk. More tissues. Fantastic! Way to stay healthy and clean. More tissues. Way to stay healthy and clean. Terrific tissue work. Great job. Fantastic. Way to go. Great job. More tissues. Way to go! Woo! Great! There he goes! Terrific tissue work! Great job! Way to go! More tissues! Fantastic! More tissues! Let's go the other way! Great job! Great job helping the townsfolk! Fantastic! Let's go the other way! More tissues! Let's go the other way! Let's go the other way! Way to stay healthy after that nose! Ooh. Way to go! Great job helping the townsfolk! Way to stay healthy and clean! More tissues! Way to keep things nice and clean! Way to go! Great job! More tissues! Let's follow him! More tissues! More tissues! Way to stay healthy and clean! Way to keep things nice and clean! Fantastic! Great job! More tissues! Great job helping the townsfolk! Let's go the other way! Way to go! Look! There's the old factory ahead! Oh no! The running nose got into the old factory!
Tissue Girl, can you go inside and track him down? I'll stay out here and take care of the workers.
Excellent idea, Superboy! Meet up with you soon!
We need to clean all the workers before we run out of soap. Let's hurry and get cleaning! Let's start cleaning! When you see sneezing workers, click on them to launch the Suds spray. Great! Now let's clean those workers. Let's start cleaning. Fantastic! We washed those germs away. Everyone is looking clean and feeling better. Great work! Let's catch up to Molly.
There he goes! Fantastic! Keep collecting tissue boxes. Fantastic! Let's follow him. Great job helping the townsfolk. Fantastic! Great job! Ooh. Terrific tissue work! Way to stay healthy and clean! Way to go! More tissues! Fantastic! Great job! More tissues! More tissues! Let's go the other way! Great job! Let's go the other way! More tissues! Woo! Great job helping the townsfolk! Great job helping the townsfolk! Great job! Great job helping the townsfolk! Terrific tissue work! Let's go the other way! Great job helping the townsfolk! Let's go the other way! Let's go the other way! More tissues! Let's go the other way! Woo! Terrific tissue work! Great job! Way to go! Watch out for germs! Way to go! Way to stay healthy and clean! Way to keep things nice and clean! Let's follow it! Great job helping the townsfolk! Way to stay healthy and clean! More tissues! There he goes! Way to stay healthy and clean! Way to keep things nice and clean!
Let's start cleaning. Remember, we need to get the sneezing workers clean. Fantastic! Look how much better the workers feel. Fantastic! Cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze, please. Suds away! Fantastic! Way to wash those germs away.
Let's follow him! Fantastic! Keep collecting tissue boxes. More tissues! Great job helping the townsfolk! Great job! More tissues! Great job! Woo! Let's go the other way! Great job! Great job! Watch out for germs. More tissues. Way to stay healthy and clean. Way to go! Fantastic! Great job! Let's follow him. Let's go the other way. Great job! More tissues. Let's follow him. Way to keep things nice and clean. Great job helping the townsfolk. Way to stay healthy and clean. Way to keep things nice and clean. Great job. Great job helping the townsfolk. Way to stay healthy and clean. Great job. Way to keep things nice and clean. More tissues. More tissues. After that nose. More tissues. Way to go! Great job! Great job! Way to stay healthy and clean. More tissues. There he goes. Way to keep things nice and clean. Great job! Way to keep things nice and clean. Woo! Way to stay healthy and clean. Great job helping the townsfolk.
Running Nose, stop! You're making all the workers sick!
Superboy, help me set up this germ gel with my tissues.
Awesome! We got him! Next time, Running Nose, make sure you sneeze into your elbow. Like this. That's it, Running Nose! You got it!
Thank you for helping us clean up Running Nose's act. And the town.